What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Guys, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. Last night, we found out some things that are pointing towards potentially the Coinbase listing probably sometime next week. So we're going to discuss that in detail and talk about why we think this is actually legitimate and what that means for Shiba Inu and the price action for this wonderful token, community, and cryptocurrency. Now, before I dive in, I do want to mention the link in the description below. Till the end of the day today, July 31st, you can get the opportunity to get your 2 free stocks with Webull when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. So if you want to support me in any way, shape, or form, outside of course, smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel, please go over and click the link for Webull and go ahead and get your 2 free stocks. Up to $2,300 could be yours when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. Now, Shiba Inu has been trading pretty much sideways. There's a lot of FUD circulating the cryptocurrency market, specifically for this token. Things are starting to look better for other cryptos, and if you are looking at the price action for the majority of others, things have been in the green. On the 7-day chart, Bitcoin up 22%, Ethereum 14.3%, Cardano up 8.25%, even Ripple up almost 24%. So things have been looking very, very good across the global cryptocurrency market. For SHIB though, lots of FUD, very short time frame that a lot of people were starting to sell off their positions because individuals that were looking for an overnight pump, the overnight hype, didn't get that. So they paper handed out of their position and they're getting into more speculative plays, which for me, I always say it's okay to go into more speculative plays if you have that risk tolerance, but that doesn't mean you have to hand out of your position. Of course, remember guys, my channel is not for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And why have I been diamond handing? I continue to diamond hand Shiba Inu because I believe in this project long term. That's something that you guys know is very, very obvious. Now, the big thing for a short-term catalyst that can start to change the momentum completely for this cryptocurrency is a Shiba Inu listing on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Of course, there was issues after June 16th, the delisting that occurred. There were some issues, and due to technical difficulties, they had to delist it, but they are looking to relist it, guys. We know that that is a fact. So last night when we were on stream, Rigor Mortis and I were getting messages from people saying, hey, you can now deposit SHIB into, you can now buy SHIB from Coinbase, SHIB USD as a pair. And I was like, hold on, is this actually true? So Milkshake on Twitter also contacted a trusted source, and there was reports of Coinbase Pro and SHIB appearing on the platform that have been making waves. I've contacted a trusted source and asked them for screenshots. Shiba Inu appears on the app for them. I need for the SHIB army to send screenshots as well. So we need to confirm this yet. But for Rigor Mortis, he actually has a Coinbase Pro account. And when he went in, he found the deposit and withdraw feature active on Shiba Inu. What does that mean? The reality is, prior to that deposit button was disabled. People couldn't even click it. Now, it's a clickable feature that you can actually go into and utilize. But he tried to deposit some money into Shiba Inu, but it looked like the order wasn't going through. So does this mean they're doing maybe a soft rollout or getting prepared to actually make it go live beginning of next week? Very well could be. Inch by inch, step by step, we are getting closer to that relisting. What are my expectations for Coinbase? The fact that 56 million individuals will have the opportunity to start investing into Shiba Inu that might have not otherwise, right? We're still sitting at 600,000 holders, which is pretty significant and awesome. But for this momentum to shift from these bearish times and bearish territory, we need to start seeing more and more individuals come into this cryptocurrency. So for me, I've been diamond handing because of that and because of that only. Holding because I know there are so many more catalysts on the way. And today, the gaming event, of course, we're going to see how much new investors might be coming into Shiba Inu that might be a part of the gaming community. Appealing to one community is, in my opinion, a really good way to start bringing in new investors because we know the gaming community is insane. I mentioned this last night on the stream, and we know that the gaming community has grown exponentially in the last year, especially during the pandemic. A lot of people picked up gaming or went back to gaming because they were all stuck at home. Now, with the rise of the Delta variant and all these things that might start pointing towards potentially a second lockdown, who knows for sure, until we see, government entities enforcing these kind of things. But if that does happen, of course, what's that going to do for the gaming industry? It's going to help it grow even more. So when we have things like gaming, a cryptocurrency or a community coming together and creating things like a gaming event or community-driven event, because again, we're a community cryptocurrency, that is going to significantly impact how we are viewed by the world, right? And that might get us media attention. And media attention is extremely crucial to keep excitement going for any crypto. The other thing you guys need to realize is the overall market, according to the Fear and Greed Index for Bitcoin, is starting to look a lot better. We were in the low 20s, even upper teens, 19 to 20 in terms of fear and greed. So there was a lot of fear in the market and not much greed or excitement at all because there was so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And when FUD circulates, when this fear and greed index is way down here, for me, that's when I'm buying up things because they're on sale. Shiba Inu included. And in my opinion, still, it's on sale. So again, we're going to slowly, hopefully start seeing this thing continue to go up. It's at 60 right now, much above the neutral ground. So we're starting to see a little bit more greed, and that's being reflected on the price action of all the top cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu lagging behind, but my opinion, and again, I think that we can see significant price action and for it to catch back up to the rest of the market after the relisting on Coinbase Pro. Because people asked, why are the top cryptocurrencies, if you guys look here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, they have very similar price action. It's because the access, folks. These tokens have a lot of accessibility, and people are able to buy them up on different brokerages, on different exchanges, and it's very, very easy to do so. For Shib, to this day, it's still pretty difficult to buy. eToro just listed us, so again, increasing the accessibility, and it's also available on a lot of different swaps, of course, Binance, but now, after Coinbase, that's when we can start seeing it follow the trajectory of the other cryptocurrencies in the top 10. So lots of room for improvement, lots of room for growth, but I am so excited to see this thing start jumping back up. And one more thing is, of course, you guys probably noticed, where's your camera? Where are you at? Even last night, where were you? I'm actually traveling right now, but I should be heading back home hopefully tonight. One of my friends is actually getting married, so congratulations to him if he's watching. Really excited to, kind of be a part of the big wedding. And yeah, we'll be back home hopefully tomorrow or tonight for our regularly scheduled uploads with my normal setup, maybe even a live stream tonight. We'll see how things go. But again, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been supporting through these rough times. It has been rough for a lot of us, but again, in my opinion, we're nearing the light at the end of the tunnel. Patience prevails. Diamond hands always. Paper hands, sell out, give us better price points to get in. And again, thank you all so much for tuning in. That's all I had for you today. Let's go ahead and see what happens for the rest of the day. And coming into next week, I'm pretty excited. August is typically a pretty big month. And we can talk about an article here soon about why August is a really good month to get into cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time then, keep investing. Peace.